Alright, how's everyone doing? This morning we just purchased a 18V brushless handheld vacuum. We've got a new battery too. It's the new Force lithium ion 9 amp hour battery. So this is like going to be one of the biggest batteries on the market. 18V. I'm going to crack this open. This is like $179 or something just for the battery. And she's a monster. She is a beast. Look at the size of that thing. I'm in a bit closer, I'll pull it and have a look at that. It's huge, man. 9 amp hour. See how well that goes. So, here is the extractor. Similar to the Makita one. The review I did. I'll put a link to that. So we'll see how this goes. Let's see what's inside. This should be good. They're actually AEG or Ridgid is what's known in America. They also make like a 20-liter version as well. So this is the go. It's not big, bigger than the Makita one. Feels pretty good. A new release. So I'm not sure how to do anything with it. Oh, there we go. Here's your filter. Lift to release. So that's where all the dust gets collected in here. Nice little filter. Feels quite quality. Pop that back on there. We got instructions. Couple of attachments. That's it. Pretty good. As an auto, you just push the button once. Feels pretty space age. Give it a bit of a demo in here. that's it. It feels pretty good. Check it out. Alright, thanks for watching. We might do a bit of a demo later. Cleaning up this job. Alright, have a good day, everyone. It's gonna be like, nah, works great. It's pretty average. Not that great. I think this one looks better, but the Makita one I think goes better. But we'll test it out over the next couple of weeks.
The Makita one?
Yeah, the Makita one.
Yeah.
One that Eugene got.
Yeah.
Did the video on. Yeah, it was better. Better than this. This looks bigger as well. Okay, so what do I think of this dust extractor? Well, it's not too bad. It feels like it's got a lot of power. I'd say the only thing that lets it down is this head here. I find when I take this off, it sucks really well. But if you notice this this groove here is like everything gets stuck in it, so you're really limited. And also these grooves coming out here, I don't think they're deep enough, so as you're going along it doesn't suck much up from the sides. And I find even small dust, you got to, hit the center for it to do anything. I suppose if this had the same head as the Makita, the one that Makita has, I don't have one right here, but it's a lot bigger, it's a lot deeper, and it makes it work a lot more efficiently. This isn't too bad. Yeah, all I would do is change the head of it. But other than that, it's a nice machine. It's quite heavy, maybe because I got this big battery on it. But even without the battery, it's quite heavy. There's also the same type as the Ridgid. I have a Ridgid Gen 5, exactly the same as this. In the States, I like the automatic feature. You click it once and it stays on. But yeah, this head really lets it down. I mean, I can't believe they didn't do any testing or anything like that. But possibly the Makita one fits straight on this, and then all your problems will be solved. But yeah, I've been waiting for one of these for quite a while, and I finally got it. So I thought I'd test it out, give it a review. It's not too bad. It's average. It's average. It's not great. If they change this, I'm sure it would be great.